Experienced travelers know these money-saving train travel tips. Set price alerts. Some routes drop prices without warning. It's based on supply and demand. Sit in standard class. Comfort is great, but savings matter more. Use trains instead of planes for short distances. Often cheaper and faster. Plus, they usually arrive in city centers. Subscribe so you never miss a money-saving travel hack. And comment your tips. And grab Traveling Tom's 100 Ways to Save Money. On your next trip on Amazon, one tip can pay for the book.